Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox the Steelbird helmet. So today I would like to talk about the difference between Steelbird SBA1 R2R full face graphic helmet in matte finish helmet field and Steelbird Air SBA2 matte full face helmet with iridium blue visor. The price difference between these two is, so right now I am having, this is Steelbird Air. So this is the price of Steelbird Air now on Amazon is, on today's price is 2,166. And the one I am going to unbox, Steelbird SBA1 is 2,039 rupees. So 100 rupees difference between both the helmet. So I would like to show you what are the difference between these two helmets. 100 rupees different, so both comes around 2,100, means around 2,000 rupees. So now I am going to show you, unbox. So today I got it from Amazon, so I am going to unbox it, what is there inside. So when you open the box, it comes with a helmet and it comes with these two helmets. This is the helmet that we are seeing. This is both a Steelbird Air company, but the difference is that the difference between both the companies, this is Steelbird Air SBA1 and this is Steelbird Air SBA2. So this is both different, SBA1 and SBA2. So SBA2 is 100 rupees more. So both comes with this facility. When you buy SBA1, Steelbird Air helmet is the best helmet. If you wanted to keep yourself in a comfort zone, I have been using Steelbird Air 2 for last 2 years. And it's been really so good to me, I can really tell you. But we get both the things, like when you order Steelbird Air 2 also, it comes with both. If a night vision, this is called night vision, and if you don't want night vision, then automatically this is the one, is a day vision one. This is the day vision one. So when you use this, you can go even in the night time. But if you wanted to use daytime, little like you don't want lights on your face, then you can remove this and you can use this. So this is the helmet, and I wanted to show you which is more comfortable according to me. I would like to tell you. And so this is Steelbird Air SBA1, large size. So see, you can see now. So this is the way it looks. It's comfortable. Yeah, it's comfortable. It's really comfortable. So you can use it if you want for your own safety. It's written warning, be sure to remove this film before using the helmet. So when you are going to use it, you have to remove this film. You have to remove this. And the color looks good. If you have a red color bike, if you wanted to go for this, you can go. And this is like, it's heavy. If you compare between both, this is more heavier than this. And it looks strong. This looks strong. Little lightweight. And you can see the difference is that you can see there is a difference on this side. On this side, near the ear side, you can see a lot of difference. It's simple, but it has a little more strong part. It is stronger. But both are good. Depends on which one you wanted to use. Both are good. Back side. This is the back side. Both looks good. When you use this, it's heavy. It's really heavy. It's heavy, but it looks very good. So nice. If you wanted to go for long drive, use it. It's so good. I have been using. So if you wanted to go between both of these, I will prefer you to go with SBA1. I mean the 100 rupees which is more. This is good. You can, it comes with black color also. But if you think like I will go with a little lightweight, then you can go with this. It has some different colors. So I hope friends you are able to understand this. And this is the difference between both the helmet. So this is what unboxing Steelbird Air 1 and 2. Thank you.